Good afternoon here, Farmer Joe from Farmer Joe Kids TV. A message from Farmer Joe. This is my preparation here now for my midday meal. So that's all mixed veg cut up. I'll either do an omelette or scrambled egg with this. I might do scrambled egg today. There's my eggs, and there's some crack there into a cup I use. And here's a bit of lamb's liver that I'm going to have. So look, that's it there now. So this is coconut oil going into the pan now, just to fry off the few vegetables that I have, and I'll go through the process now in a second. Coconut oil is one of the best you can fry in now. So that's the veg there gone in now into the coconut oil. So I'll work on this now. So this is the veg frying off now. This is a mix of all one ingredient food. I'm just going to pop into that now a little bit of chicken. I like a bit of chicken. So there's a bit of chicken. That's a roasted chicken. I roast chickens for my dogs. They eat the best of food as well. So there you go. There's a bit of roast chicken in there as well. I might do an omelette. I'll see. I was thinking about doing scrambled egg with it. I might do an omelette. I'll see. Just going to pop in the 3 eggs here on top of this now. I'm just going to scramble these eggs up now. So this is a high protein meal for myself. First meal of the day. This is nearly ready now. I'll plate this up. This will be beautiful now. So there is my finished midday meal. A mix of one ingredient food, of lamb's liver and scrambled eggs. I spiced up the scrambled eggs. Now you can put chili in that, you can put in anything you want. And it's absolutely beautiful. So there you are now. This is how Farmer Joe rolls. That's my midday meal. All mixed one ingredient food. As in that scrambled egg with all the mixed veg. There's a bit of chicken through it as well for extra protein. And the vitamin B's and the iron in the liver. And to finish it all off, Greek yogurt, almonds and walnuts. Now listen, all have a nice day. Are you healthy eating? Because I certainly am. Bye bye now.